students, today's our topic is competition law and the common law of unfair competition. The law of competition applied to commercial rivals in the common law marketplace. Unlike athletes who compete against each other on the sporting field, commercial competitors participating in market rival. Capitalist economies do not typically aspire towards modes of competitive behavior which reflect the values of good sportsmanship, fair play, or other such lofty ideals. Such commercially minded enterprises are ultimately interested in boosting their bottom lines as far as possible and may adopt hostile modes of competition towards their rivals, but such aggressive means might yield financially profitable results. However, business rivals engage in mercantile competition with each other on the battlefield of commerce are subject to an array of different legal controls over what they are permitted to do in order to attract custom to themselves and more specifically how they behave towards each other, their upstream and downstream business associates and their customers by distinguish between legally prohibited and permissible modes of commercial conduct. The law of competition set off the rule of engagement that business rivals trading in the common law marketplace are required to adhere to when they, in the course of advancing their respective commercial interests, inflict economic harm upon each other as part of the competitive process. In particular, two distinct fields of law play significant roles in demarcating two boundaries of lawful and unlawful modes of competitive behavior. Competition law, the law of unfair competition, despite their apparent thematic proximately lies from common law jurisdiction working in these fields of law tend to regard these legal frameworks as distinct areas of specialized jurisprudence and frequently approach these legal frameworks independently rather than the conjunction with each other. The schisms between these legal subdisciplines may be the result of the methodological and analytical disparities between them given their very different historical origins. Theoretical traditions and conceptual foundations. Modern competition lies in a relatively new branch of law. It is quasi-regulatory in character, heavily influenced by microeconomic principles and driven by both public policy consideration that extend beyond the immediate interest of the specific party directly involved in any particular case. In contrast, the law of unfair competition in the common law world has ancient roots that go back into the 19th century. It comprised a small but eclectic suits of common law action that have been developed incrementally by the courts, imposes liability based on the intention on the wrongdoer and the character of his misconduct and seeks to balance the rights and duties of claimants and defendants in each individual case. Thank you so much.